We have the artisans that have been producing it. Had it been able to be mechanized, it's such a delicate work that if you would mechanize it, we would not have 95% share. The artisans are in Pakistan. It's a generation that is fading out. Maybe they can be brought here. You can do some capital investment in Pakistan to train new people, and that can be accomplished. Pak Saudi surgicals. We have Pak Saudi fertilizer already. We have Pak Saudi oil refinery. Why can't we have Pak Saudi surgicals? Please take on it. Look for that. That's the opportunity. Sports. Right across your border, the World Cup is being played by a football manufactured in Pakistan. And by the way, congratulations. You beat one of the greatest football nations. Let's give a big hand to that. That was thoroughly impressive, honest. We grew up with listening to Maradona and all that, but you beat it. So, why can't we do that? Why can't we have it for Al-Ahli, Tahad, others? Anything, whether footballs, whether sports souvenirs. Jointly enough. In Pakistan, in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Pak Saudi sports. It's not just football. Sialkot is again a city which does a lot of sports, from cricket bats to squash rackets to too many things. Sports. We can do that. Textiles. We have since again our inception of our independent existence, we have been a major textile exporter. Let's do that. Let's bring something to Saudi Arabia. Let's, get from Pakistan. Come together. Again, let me keep repeating again and again. Let's do it together, Pakistan and Saudi Arabia, because we are countries tied by eternally fraternal bonds. Let's concretize it for future. Let's bring it together for our generations. Let's bequeath something to our generations that only stands to grow the fraternal ties. And they would also continue to be willing to lay every drop of their blood for the Holy Land, for the Haram. That's what we bring to the table. Too many sectors. Automobiles has been listed, leather has been listed, transport is again, tourism. Pakistan is the best hidden secret destination for tourism. Let's develop this together. Let's consider each other's country, each other's land, our second home. We are an agrarian economy. I just met a gentleman who is from a supermarket here.